Hey guys, we're in the shop today. I thought I would show you what we got going on because it's some fun project we're working on. We're doing a, can you come in close and take a look at this? We're doing a little foyer entryway with this parquet pattern with a basket weave. So we're going to do these middle blocks and then these pieces in between that are actually going to do the weave, and then wrap the whole thing in the same width of a border. So that's what we got going. To do that, we're making up these blocks in two halves. They're going to be 22.5 wide, so it's going to be made up of 10 rows of our flooring material. So we're taping them up 5 at a time like this, and then we're doing half of them with our tongue facing this way, and then the other half with the groove facing that way. And then when we're done, we're going to join those two halves to make a complete block that looks like this right here. So this was our first station, cutting these and taping them up, and then we're bringing all our pieces over here where we got them stacked and ready to go, and then we're going to run them through our little jig setup we've got right here with our track saw to actually cut them at a perfect 45-degree angle. So you can see I just made a little fence to slide my piece up against, and I've got my track here with some stops set up with little micro adjustable screws. Thanks, Lenny, for that tip. And so I've got this piece. I'm going to run them through upside down once to get that first side cut. And then after they're all done like that, I'll set a adjustable stop in here and slide them in this way. Okay. And we'll run them all through like that, and that'll cut them all to exactly the same length, and they'll be ready to go. From there, we'll take the two halves, join them together, tape them up. They'll be ready to route and be ready for installation, basically. And we just have to cut the pickets that go in between, and we'll be ready to roll. So we'll give you some updates along the way and let you know our progress.